Welcome to our review of the Fionaise 7-piece dining table set. This versatile dining set is perfect for any home, combining functionality with a sleek, rustic design. Let's dive into the features that make this dining set a fantastic addition to your space. First, let's talk about its extendable design. When fully extended, the table measures 63 inches in length, providing ample space for 6 to 8 people. If you have a smaller space, no problem. The table retracts easily and the stools can be hidden underneath, saving you precious room. This feature makes the Fionaise table set an excellent choice for both large family gatherings and everyday use. The Fionaise dining set isn't just about practicality, it also boasts a beautiful design. The rustic brown wood grain tabletop pairs perfectly with the clean lines of the black frame, adding a touch of mid-century charm to any kitchen, living room, or office. This set is more than just a dining table. It's a statement piece that enhances the look of your space. Sturdiness and durability are key with the Fionaise dining set. Made from high-quality MDF board, the tabletop is waterproof and scratch-resistant, ensuring it stands up to daily use. The heavy-duty T-shaped steel bars and triangular structure provide robust support, with the table supporting up to 330 pounds and each stool up to 550 pounds. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just a quick wipe with a sponge and water and you're good to go. Finally, assembly is a breeze. The Fionaise set comes with a detailed manual and organized packaging, making the process straightforward and stress-free. Whether you're using it as a patio dining table, a computer desk, or a breakfast nook, this multifunctional set adapts to your needs. Thanks for watching our review of the Fionaise 7-piece dining table set, your perfect blend of style, durability, and versatility. Introducing the Olixus dining chairs. Set of 4. These mid-century modern dining chairs blend style, comfort, and practicality, perfect for any setting. With their sleek white design and wooden legs, they effortlessly complement any decor. Ideal for your dining room, kitchen, or even outdoor lounge, these chairs are a versatile addition to your home. Ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, these chairs feature high-density sponge cushions that provide exceptional support. The backrest wraps around your back, promoting healthy posture and blood circulation. The 10-degree tilt backrest ensures both comfort and durability, making it easy to sit for extended periods without discomfort. Crafted from high-quality PU leather, the Olixus chairs are not only stylish but also practical. The material is scratch-resistant, waterproof, and easy to clean, ensuring your chairs remain in pristine condition. The beechwood legs add a natural touch while providing a robust and stable base. With a maximum weight capacity of 275 pounds, these chairs are built to last. Assembly is a breeze with the Olixus dining chairs. The detailed instructions and included tools make it easy to set up your chairs in just 20 minutes. Enjoy a seamless and satisfying assembly process. For any questions or assistance, our dedicated customer service team is ready to help. Elevate your dining experience with Olixus dining chairs, where style meets comfort. Welcome to our review of the Best Choice Products 5-piece dining set. This compact mid-century modern table and chair set is perfect for any home or apartment. With its ergonomic design, this set not only looks stylish but also offers lasting comfort. The chairs have a unique profile that supports your back, making long dinners and conversations a delight. The white and walnut color scheme adds a modern yet timeless appeal to any dining space. This set includes a round table and 4 chairs, creating an ideal social setup for fun and easy conversation. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a family meal, the round shape of the table ensures everyone can join in the conversation comfortably. The compact design is perfect for smaller living spaces like apartments, where space is at a premium. You can easily tuck the chairs under the table to save space when not in use. Built with high-quality materials, the Best Choice Products dining set is designed to last. The tabletop is made from durable MDF and the seats are constructed from sturdy plastic, supported by solid beechwood legs. Metal wire details add stability and a touch of elegance. This combination of materials not only provides a strong and stable structure, but also ensures the set can withstand years of use. Cleaning this dining set is a breeze. The smooth finishes on the table and chairs make wiping away spills quick and easy, so you can maintain its sleek, new look with minimal effort. The table has a weight capacity of 175 pounds, and each chair can support up to 275 pounds, making it a robust choice for any dining area. Remember, the set comes in 2 separate boxes, so transportation times may vary. Thank you for watching our review of the Best Choice Products 5-piece dining set. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions.